Hey guys! Today I am back with my unboxing of the June SCT Sampler Kit from Scrapbook and Cards Today. This month's kit is very summer vacation themed, which is very appropriate, so let's get into it. To start off, we have this little card that comes with the kit. The front this month says, "Life was meant for good friends and great adventure," and the back has a list of all the products that come with the kit. So the first item we have here is this acrylic, I think it doesn't say this time, this word from SCT, which of course says friends, and then this little GPS pointer thing is the only item that's not on the list, and it doesn't really go with the other batches of ephemera that are in the kit this month, and it does seem to be made with the same material as this sign, so I don't know if it's just a little extra or if it is actually from one of the ephemera kits and I just can't figure out which one. And then also from SCT we have this blank card base. From Close to My Heart we have these trinket wood shapes. I got 2 butterflies, a dragonfly, a seagull, a heart, a star, and a little chevron type thing. From American Crafts there's this 6x6 piece of white paper from Basil and these thickers from the Crepe Paper Wild Heart collection. Then from Project Life we have these 2 double-sided journaling cards from the Snapshot collection. Moving on to the bigger batches of items, we have these pieces from the My Mind's Eye Wander collection, starting with these puffy stickers, these pieces of ephemera, and these 4 double-sided 6x6 papers. This one is called Bags, this one is called Dots, this is Scooters, and this is Vista. And finally we have a whole bunch of stuff from the Heidi Swap Pineapple Crush collection. There are these really cute ephemera pieces, some of which are cardstock and some of which are acetate. These tiny puffy stickers, 6 double-sided 6x6 papers. This one is called Breezy. This one is called Crush. This is Cabana. This one is Aloha. This one is Tide Pool. And this one is called Palm Beach. And finally we got this full Heidi Swap stamp set. Initially I thought this month's kit looked a little sparse compared to the last few, but then I realized that this stamp set goes for, what, $25 to $30 at Michael's in Canada? And I just got it for way less than $12 when you factor in all the other stuff that came with it too, which is amazing. So that's it for this month's SCT Sampler Kit. Once again, I am extremely happy with the quality of the kit, and I really like how well a lot of this month's stuff fits in nicely with all the summery craft stuff I've already been using lately. I will link to SCT's website down below if you want to try the kit out for yourself. I know quite a few of you said that you were going to sign up after my last unboxing video, which is awesome. I can't wait to see how everybody likes it. The next sign-up window for the kit starts on June 15th, and that is for an August start, so definitely check it out if you're interested, because it is an awesome kit that is definitely worth the money. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, please give it a share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that little bell in the corner to be notified when I next upload a video. And I will see you guys in the next one.